Hello viewers, welcome to Celebrity Life once again. In this video, I will compare Kannada rocking star Yash height versus others Kannada film actors' height. So let's start. At first, Yash, who made his debut with the movie Chambada Huduki, is one of the most popular actors in the industry. He has super hit films like Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari, Raja Kesari, Raja Huli and Googly to his credit. Currently, Yash is busy with his upcoming film titled KGF Chapter 2. He has successfully made his mark in the industry with his superb choices of films and stunning performances. His height is 5 feet 10 inches. Number 1. Ajoy Rao. He is an Indian actor who works primarily in Kannada film industry. He rose to fame with 2003 blockbuster movie Excuse Me. His height is 5 feet 7 inches. Number 2. Bijoy Kumar Basava Rajaiya, but known by his stage name Sanchari Bijoy. He was an Indian actor who known for his work in Kannada cinema. He also appeared in Tamil, Telugu and Hindi films. His height is 5 feet 7 inches. Chetan Chandra. He is an Indian film actor working in the Kannada film industry. He made his acting debut PUC in 2008. For the film Kumbharashi, he underwent a rigorous workout to develop 8-pack abs. His height is 5 feet 7 inches. Number 4. Bijoy Kumar BR, but popularly known as Duniya Bijoy. He is an Indian actor who appears in Kannada films. His height is 5 feet 7 inches. Number 5. Ganesh. He is an Indian actor and television presenter, best known for his work in the Kannada film industry, popularly referred to as the Golden Star. He is one of the most highest paid actors in the industry and holds several prestigious awards. His height is 5 feet 7 inches. Number 6. Prajwal Devraj. He is an Indian film actor who mainly works in Kannada film industry. He made his debut with the Kannada film Sixer, for which he won the Best Debut Actor award at the Suborno Films Award. His height is 5 feet 7 inches. Number 7. Prem Kumar, known mononymously as Prem. He is an Indian film actor who works in Kannada films. He made his acting debut in 2004 through the film Pranna. However, he earned much recognition and won the Filmfare Award for Best Actor for Nina Pirali in the year 2005 and for Charminar in 2013. His height is 5 feet 8 inches. Number 8. Dignath Manchali. He is an Kannada actor and an Indian model. He primarily works in Kannada movies, but he has also worked in one Bollywood movie in 2015. Dignath has started his career as a model. He made his acting debut with the Kannada movie Miss California in 2006. His height is 5 feet 8 inches. Number 9. Shivraj Kumar. He is a famous Kannada film actor. He is the legendary Kannada star who won a lot of hearts during his lifetime. Shivraj Kumar started his career with the super hit film Anand. His height is 5 feet 8 inches. Number 10. Sharan. He is an Indian film actor, an occasional playback singer and film producer who works in Kannada cinema. He made his acting debut in the mid-1990s and appeared mostly in comedy roles and small supporting roles. His height is 5 feet 8 inches. Number 11. Chetan Kumar, also known as Chetan Ohimsa. He is a Kannada film actor, public intellectual and political activist. Chetan made his non-screen debut in 2007. His height is 5 feet 8 inches. Number 12. Puneeth Rajkumar. He is an Indian actor, playback singer, television presenter and producer who works primarily in Kannada cinema. He has been a lead actor in 29 films. As a child artist, he appeared in many films. In 2002, Punit made his film debut as a lead actor in the Masala film Appu. His height is 5 feet 9 inches. Number 13. Dhananjay, also known as Dali Dhananjay. He is an Indian actor, producer and lyricist who works predominantly in the Kannada film industry. He made his feature film debut in Kannada called Director Special in 2013, for which he won the Best Debut Actor award at the 3rd Saimai Awards for his performance. He is widely recognized as a versatile actor for choosing different kinds of roles in the films. His height is 5 feet 9 inches. Number 14. Upendra. He is an best multi-talented actor in Sandalwood, who is an actor, director, writer, singer and producer. He started his career as an assistant director under director Kashinath and made his debut from the movie Tarle Nan Maka. His height is 5 feet 9 inches. Number 15. Sri Murali, also known by names Murali. He is an Indian actor who works predominantly in Kannada cinema. After making his debut in 2003 in Chandra Chakori, his height is 5 feet 10 inches. Number 16. Dhruvo Sarja. He is an Indian film actor working in Kannada film industry. Sarja made his acting debut in 2012 film Adhuri, which brought him much appreciation and popularity. He is the brother of actor Chiranjeevi Sarja and nephew of actor and director Arjun Sarja. His height is 5 feet 10 inches. Number 17. Rakshit Shetty. He is an Indian film actor, director, screenwriter, lyricist and producer. Best known for his work in Kannada cinema. He is called the simple star in the Kannada film industry. His height is 5 feet 11 inches. Number 18. Binod Prabhakar. He is an Indian film actor who has worked predominantly in Kannada film industry. Binod has worked in popular movies like Shadow and Robert. His height is 6 feet. Number 19. Sunil Kumar, popularly known with his stage name Krishna. He is an actor who primarily acts in Kannada films. His height is 6 feet 1 inches. Number 20. Sudeep. He is one of the most talented actors in the Kannada film industry. He has acted in Kannada, Hindi, Tamil and Telugu language films. He is not only an actor but also a director, producer, scriptwriter and playback singer. Sudeep made his debut from the movie Sparsha in 2000. His height is 6 feet 1 inches. Number 21. Darshan. He is the biggest star in Sandalwood. He is a son of all-time greatest villain Thoguripa Srinivas. Darshan came to the industry with a lot of struggle and created his benchmark in Sandalwood. He started his career through television and made his big screen debut from the movie Majestic, which became a super hit. He is not only an actor but also a producer and distributor. He is also an animal lover who has rare pets on his farm. His height is 6 feet 3 inches. Hello viewers, thank you for watching. If you want more like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell button.